The Ronan Point Collapse, UK. In 1968, a seemingly ordinary residential tower in London became the center of one of the most shocking architectural failures in history. The Ronan Point Tower was a 22-story building constructed using large prefabricated concrete panels. At first glance, it seemed like a modern marvel of efficiency in the realm of urban housing. However, the unfortunate flaw lay in its design, a flaw that would be exposed in the most tragic way. The disaster occurred when a gas explosion on the 18th floor caused a wall panel to explode outward, and within seconds, the entire corner of the building collapsed. The explosion caused a domino effect, triggering the destruction of more floors, leading to the loss of 4 lives. What was even more alarming was that the entire structure was so fragile that one small explosion was enough to bring it down. It turned out that the building was designed without proper consideration for how the panels interacted under stress. The walls were meant to hold the structure together, but once one panel failed, it compromised the entire system. The Ronan Point Collapse highlighted the critical importance of redundancy in design, where failure in one part should not bring down the whole structure. In the wake of this tragedy, the collapse of Ronan Point spurred an overhaul of building codes, specifically targeting high-rise construction. It led to a complete rethinking of how concrete panels were used in building designs, forcing engineers and architects to rethink how buildings could survive extreme events. Ronan Point was ultimately demolished, but its legacy lives on as a lesson in structural integrity and the need for thorough safety assessments in all construction projects.